Hey guys, I am near the 2k subscriber. If you are not subscribed AR RoboTics yet, then please do subscribe. So in this video I am going to show you ESP32 live GPIO pin viewer. Through these steps you can view live GPIO pin of any ESP board. So first we need to download all relevant library. I will give you a link in the description, you can download from there. After that we need to download two more library. First is ESP Async Web Server. Now click on it. Now click on code and download zip file. Now go to back. We need to download one more library and second is Async TCP. Now click on code and download zip. Open Arduino IDE. Now we need to load the downloaded library into the Arduino IDE. So click on Sketch, include library. Now click on add zip library. And here we have to select all those downloaded library. After load the library, now click on files. Now go to example and select GPIO Viewer. Here we need to enter your Wi-Fi credential. So I replace it with my Wi-Fi credential. Apart from this, you don't have to change anything in the program. Now select board and port and hit the upload button. Now press the boot button for upload the program. Program is uploaded successfully. Now press the reset button. After pressing the reset button, you get an IP address. Now copy this IP address and paste in your favorite browser. You can see that after pasting the IP address, the ESP board has been loaded. So we have to set our ESP board. Now see, our board is working live. When I touch the pin of ESP board, you can see it's changing color and you can also see board is connected to Wi-Fi. This desktop mode. Now see in mobile view. So paste this IP address. Again set ESP32 Grover board. With the help of this, you can view live GPIO pin of any board. So see, when I touch the pin of ESP board, it is changing color. So that's all in this video, and if you have not subscribed AR RoboTics yet, then do subscribe.